All natural colon control, replenish your good bacteria, protect against occasional digestive upsets, restore your natural digestive balance, support a healthy immune system, help improve lactose intolerance, replenish your good bacteria, protection against occasional digestive upsets, restore your natural digestive balance, support a healthy immune system, help improve lactose intolerance. Tired of living with a sensitive gut? Having sensitive digestion, particularly a sensitive colon, can have a big impact on your day-to-day life. People with iron stomachs simply don't understand how much it can affect everything you do. When you have a sensitive digestive system, problems can be triggered by stress, certain foods, or caffeinated or carbonated beverages. Sometimes, there doesn't seem to be any trigger at all. Before you know it, though, you're rearranging your whole life to accommodate it. It's time to do something when you feel like you always need to know where the nearest bathroom is just in case. You occasionally miss work because of your sensitive digestion. You sometimes avoid recreational activities or turn down social invitations. You feel irritable and out of sorts when your digestion isn't working perfectly. You feel like you must be extremely careful about what you eat. You don't have to feel that way anymore. Botrol Colon Health Support was developed for people with sensitive digestion, particularly a sensitive colon. Botrol's all-natural formula helps calm and relax the digestive tract, eliminating feelings of urgency and diarrhea or constipation. Click on the link in the description below to place your order. Read what customers are saying. I still don't believe it. All these stressful years of bowel problems have come to an end in just a few short days. Teresa. I am now taking Botrol for a month and never felt better, Nick. Thanks to your amazing colon cleansing product, I no longer have a problem with my bowels. Tabitha. Since using your product, I no longer have constipation issues and I feel so much healthier. Kelly. Included in your offer today, you'll become a part of our weight management club. When you order your first shipment of Botrol Control, you'll be automatically signed up to get free membership access to our results-based online fitness program. This information is exclusively for Botrol Control members and is not available to the general public. Combined with a sensible food program, exercise routine, and drinking plenty of water, the ingredients in Botrol Control will help you to regain your slim body easier and faster. As soon as you receive your first order, be sure to check out our Health Resource Center online. The suggestions given there will help ensure your success. You'll find customized exercise programs, diet plans, fitness tracking systems, and much more. Your Botrol Control program gives you a fast and effective weight management system. Place your order now to start rediscovering the real you. Plus, you will also receive these 2 free gifts with your order: 1 special ebook, 71 weight loss tips. Even if you've struggled to lose weight, even if you have stubborn fat deposits that simply won't budge, even if you've almost given up, you'll find these proven techniques opening your mind to a whole new weight freedom. You'll wonder why no one ever told you before. Ebook download: 2 special MP3 weight loss visualization audio. Relax and listen to the soothing sounds of gentle water, with subliminal suggestions by a skilled doctor of clinical hypnotherapy. These powerful messages will help your self-image and inspire you to continue on your path. You'll be reprogramming your subconscious mind to see yourself slim again. MP3 download. Click on the link in the description below to place an order. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest natural health products.